At Blackstone Books, like it started about 1.5 years to 2 years back, we were discussing as to how do we come out with the books. I have got varied experience in the publishing world for about 25 years now. My home business is printing basically. We do a lot of designing and things like that. We have been helping a lot of publishers around the country to put the books up. I have got a passion, I developed a passion to find out more about these books, more about the publishing world for the past 15-20 years. I have been into the publishing world. During this course, I have traveled worldwide. I have visited a lot of book exhibitions. The World Book Fair in Frankfurt, the London Book Fair, and things like that. The most important book fair which I attended is in Italy, it is called as the Bologna Fiera, which is an exclusive children's book fair. Exclusive children's book fair only for kindergarten, for various philosophies of the preschoolers. It's a very exclusive. I have visited there 2-3 times. I interacted with a lot of people. I saw a lot of books. When we were discussing in our office as to what is to be done, we also looked into a lot of books of different various publishers. We thought kindergarten is such a bubbling subject, such a very important subject, such a very colorful subject, such a very dynamic subject. We thought we should work on kindergarten because the publishers are not doing much which is required as far as kindergarten is concerned. So when we were toying with the idea as to what is to be done for kindergarten, the different kinds of books which are available, the way we are teaching, I met a lot of school teachers, various principals, both in India and abroad. Basically, when we are following the textbooks, when we are following the blackboard and stuff like that, and of course with the new generation toys and things like that at the classroom, it was not really helping the child and the teacher as well to come out with the concepts. The child learns very effectively in his own interested way of learning. So that is the time we thought of these worksheets. When we thought these worksheets are being used by many people in US, in England and all, they've been found very successful. That's the only reason why we thought we should go in for the workbooks or the worksheets as we call it. I am the first publisher in the state of Andhra Pradesh to come out with these kind of worksheets. There has been a thorough research, extensive research for 1.5 years, and that is the reason why we have come out with these worksheets. We will begin with the LKG section. We will go sheet by sheet of every book so that you understand the perspective with which the books have been designed, because they have not been designed just like that. They have been designed with a lot of purpose. And what we need to achieve is what we need to understand, and that is exactly what we will do. We will begin with the LKG section. The first subject which I will take is maths. Can we have the maths books, please? Each pair will get only one book. Each pair will get only one book. So as a pair you have to interact and use it. That is the idea. Fill your page. Self-declared page. Can I have your attention, please? We will go to the book later. I want your attention. So before we begin, we go into the LKG math, I would like to tell you about the salient features on which the book has been built. The salient features on which the book has been built. When a book is designed, or when a teacher looks into a book, the most important thing which the teacher is worried or bothered about is the content of the book. No matter how it is designed, no matter how colorful it is immaterial to the teacher. The teacher is more worried about the content of the book. So when we were discussing about the content of these worksheets at our office, we thought we should employ a very senior most kindergarten teacher who has got experience, who will understand what we are conceiving, because we had certain ideas in our own mind. We met a lot of authors who have been working for kindergarten for various publishers in the country. We met at least 10 or 15 of them. We had a lot of discussions. But unfortunately, we did not like any of them. Because they were not gelling with the idea, the theology which we had in our mind. They were a little blocked minds. We wanted out-of-the-box thinking. We wanted something different to be given. Then that is the time where we came in contact with an organization called Andhra Mahila Sabha. I think you all know what is Andhra Mahila Sabha? Yeah? Andhra Mahila Sabha is a very large organization in the Usmania University campus. It's a 70-year-old organization created by Dr. Durgabai Deshmukh. In the campus of Andhra Mahila Sabha, they had something called as a College of Teacher Education. College of Teacher Education, which gives BA training. They have various diploma courses of 1-year program, 3-year program, 5-year program, the masters and things like that. Now this College of Teacher Education is one and the only College of Teacher Education in the state of Andhra Pradesh, which has got a separate wing for early childhood education. Early childhood education, that is what we fall. We fall into the category of early childhood education. They have a separate department. That is what attracted us. Another thing, not only they are an institute which is imparting the degree courses, the diploma courses, they are also having a research wing. They are doing research on a continuous basis as to improve the quality of education, improve the methodologies of teaching. While they are doing the research and things like that, they also have something called as a lab school, LAB, lab school attached to the College of Teacher Education. Now again this attracted us, because whatever they are researching, they come out with a solution. Okay, for this problem, we have this answer. But then, whether this particular answer is correct or not has to be tested, has to be vetted. So that is immediately tested at the lab school. They find the behavioral pattern of the child. How is he assimilating us to new idea which we are throwing to the child? So they jot down the form, no, this is not correct, this is what is correct, and then they fine tune. So that is how the continuous process of Andhra Mahila Sabha is going on. When we met the faculty members of the early childhood education and told them about these ideas, they immediately grabbed the opportunity. They said, we are game with it, we want to work for this project. It is a very exciting project, and we also have these kind of theologies in our mind. So that was a very happy union for Blackstone Books and Andhra Mahila Sabha. So we partnered with them, and we have employed them to write these books for us. So it comes from the people who matter. Now, having done that, after the authors have written everything and given to us, the most important thing for us was to do the designing. To do the designing of the books, we thought there are two aspects for the book, important aspects. One is the teacher's perspective, where the content is correct, but the child is not bothered about that. Right? He is not bothered about the content. He wants it to be very, very colorful, whatever you give to him. So we thought the book has to be made child friendly. The minute you give the book to him, he should be enticed to use it. So we started thinking in those angles as to what is to be done. If you look at in the book, these are the pictures. They are actually called as the illustrations. Now these illustrations or pictures, whatever you may call, have been taken from a company called Jupiter Corporation from California, United States of America. When we started designing this, the illustrations which we were drawing at our office were not up to the mark. So we thought we should get in somebody who is a professional, because the book should look nice. Jupiter Corporation by far is the largest company in the world which is supplying illustrations and the pictures to most of the big publishers in the world. It costed us a bomb, but then we went for it. That is the reason why these illustrations and pictures are so colorful and so good. The next point, if you look at any page, we have a background here which is in red color, right? Now in the background we have a shade. You are seeing a shade? Now there are 40 pages in this book. On all 40 pages there is a different shade. Please have a look, scroll the book. There is a different shade each time. So the very idea is, what we have to do are actually supposed to be kept in the school with the teachers in the almirah or in the shelf. Each day we remove one page like this, and this is what we give to the child. This is how it comes to the child, not the whole book. So, supposing day one you give this, next time you are giving him, it has to be different. Technical jargons, no need to know. One important thing, this has been purchased from ITC Limited. ITC by far, have you all heard of ITC? It's a very big company, the number one paper manufacturing company in the country, super specialty paper manufacturing company. The most important element of this paper is, it is something called as the ECF certified paper. Now what is ECF? ECF is element chlorine free paper. It means, by mistake, if the child takes the paper and eats, it normally happens. By mistake, if the child takes the paper and eats, nothing will happen to him. Be rest assured. This has been recommended by Government of India to be used by the kindergarten children. So that is why we have taken the ECF certified paper. Another thing, the author is in place, the designing is in place, the paper is in place. When we have conceived the idea, it looks very great on our computer screens. But can we assure and guarantee whether it's going to be printed like that is what we thought. Because the printing has to be very, very good to achieve what we have in our mind. So these books were printed at a printing press in Hyderabad called Kalajyoti process. If I tell you more about that, this particular press is the number one press in the country. If you look at any magazine mind you, be it Cineplates, be it Stardust, be it Filmfare, be it Auto Magazine, be it any magazine. If you look at Stardust, if you look at Cineplates, how colorful it is, how good the printing quality is. So they are the masters of it. By far they are the number one. There are many, many printers in Bombay, there are many, many printers in Delhi, but still it comes to Kalajyoti because of their good quality printing. So we have employed Kalajyoti to print. That is why the printing quality is also there to the expected levels of the child. So these are the fundamental points on which the book has been made. Okay?